Multiply 2/15 times 37 over 42. When multiplying fractions, multiply the numerators together and multiply the denominators together. Now, these numbers are kind of gross, so there's nothing wrong with going off to the side and trying to find out what 37 times 2 is the old-fashioned way. So I'm going to do that. 2 times 7 is 14. Write out your 4. Carry the 1. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 74. So 2 times 37 becomes 74. Now, 15 times 42, same exact thing. Not pretty numbers, not at all. So I'm going to use the old-fashioned way, 15 times 42, and multiply these numbers together. 2 times 5 is 10. Write out a 0. Carry the 1. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. Now that I'm done that row, I'm going to get rid of that 1 over here, and I'm going to bump over to the tens place, which means I have to put a 0 there. 4 times 5 is 20. Write out your 0. Carry over the 2. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. So I add these two guys up. 0 and 0 is 0. 3 and 0 is 3. 6 is all alone. So this becomes 630. Now, looking at my numbers just quickly, I notice that the numerator and the denominator are both even. So at the very least, what I can do is divide each of these numbers by 2 to simplify the fraction. So divide by 2, divide by 2. 74 divided by 2 is going to be 37. 630 divided by 2 is going to be 315. 37's prime, believe it or not, so looking at these two numbers, they don't simplify anymore. So my final answer is going to be 37 over 315.